Welcome to Cyberflux, the channel where tech meets real talk. Today, let's dive into a burning question. Has AI crossed the line from helpful tool to genuine threat? Picture this. You're scrolling your feed and you see a perfectly crafted video of a politician giving a shocking speech. But wait, he never said those words. It's a deepfake, made possible by generative adversarial networks. Sounds like science fiction, right? But it's happening right now. Now, you might be thinking, AI is just software. What's the worst it could do? Let me tell you a story. In 2023, a major European bank lost millions after scammers used AI to mimic a CEO's voice in a phone call. Just imagine the power to replicate anyone, anywhere, almost instantly. Here's the conflict. We've built these neural networks, think of them like supercharged brains, but we've barely scratched the surface of how to control them. Autonomy and algorithmic bias are words tossed around in tech circles, but they're really about power and responsibility. So, is AI truly a threat? Or are we simply afraid of what we don't fully grasp yet? Stick with me as we peel back the layers, and if you want the deep dive, consider joining our Patreon community for exclusive content and discussions you won't find elsewhere. Let's level up. How exactly can AI be used to manipulate what you see, think, and even believe? Here's a scenario. You're on social media and you keep seeing posts that confirm your beliefs. It's not an accident. That's the work of recommendation algorithms, AI models that optimize for engagement, not truth. Ever heard of echo chambers? AI's like a DJ who only plays your favorite songs on repeat, except in this case, it's reinforcing opinions, sometimes radicalizing users. In 2024, a study from MIT showed that content curated by AI was 35% more likely to sway users to extreme views. Now you might ask, but can't we just turn the AI off? The reality is, these machine learning models are deeply woven into our platforms. Shutting them down would mean breaking the systems we've come to depend on for news, entertainment, and even connection. Here's the resolution. Awareness is your first shield. Understanding how natural language processing twists headlines, or how bots can simulate thousands of fake personalities, arms you against manipulation. Knowledge more than any firewall is your best defense. If you're hungry for more insights, Cyberflux's Patreon is where we unveil tools and tactics to spot AI-driven misinformation before it spreads. Join us and take back control of your digital reality. Now let's tackle something that hits closer to home AI and jobs. Automation is the buzzword here. Think of it like a self-driving car. It gets you from point A to B with no human at the wheel. Sounds convenient, but what happens to all the drivers? Since 2020, AI-driven automation has replaced entire roles in manufacturing, logistics, and even creative industries. For example, text-to-image generators are now designing ads and book covers work that used to feed thousands of human artists. Now, you might be saying, but AI creates new jobs too, right? That's true. But here's the conflict. Reskilling isn't always fast or accessible. Not everyone can jump from driving trucks to coding neural networks overnight. The World Economic Forum predicts that by 2030, up to 85 million jobs could be displaced by AI, while 97 million new roles could emerge. The real dilemma? Bridging that skill gap before the old jobs vanish. Want to future-proof your career? On our Patreon, Cyberflux members get access to curated guides on in-demand tech skills and how to pivot in the AI era. Join us and stay ahead of the curve. Let's wrap up with one crucial question. Can we build ethical AI, or are we doomed to chase after its mistakes? The answer lies in governance. Think of it like traffic laws for intelligent machines. Organizations and governments worldwide are scrambling to set up guardrails, policies, and technical controls designed to prevent AI systems from making dangerous decisions. But with machine learning models evolving at breakneck speed, the rules sometimes lag behind the technology. Here's a quick example. Facial recognition can help catch criminals, but it's also been used to surveil innocent citizens without consent. The conflict? Balancing public safety and privacy in an age of hyper-surveillance. Ultimately, the resolution will come from transparency and human oversight. We need AI systems that can explain their choices, what experts call explainability, so humans can intervene before things go off the rails. At Cyberflux, we're building a community determined to shape the future, not just survive it. If you care about where AI is heading, join our Patreon. Let's create a safer, smarter tomorrow together.